At the law offices of Scott David Stewart, we offer services in the areas of divorce, mediation, child custody, child support, and post-decree modification.
When a client comes to the law offices of Scott David Stewart, what we first do is meet with the client and determine exactly what their primary concerns are. The next step is to work with the client and develop an approach that best meets their needs and focuses on their goals.
In dealing with a divorce case, our clients can expect one-on-one service, personal attention, and guidance throughout the entire process. Two common issues in divorce cases are child custody issues and property settlement.
When a client comes to me and has a child custody matter, I try to avoid placing the children in the middle of that conflict. It is important that clients understand the distinctions between legal custody and physical custody.
Legal custody involves decision-making authority. Physical custody involves how much parenting time will each parent receive with their children. I help to ease my clients' concern by giving them personal attention and dedicating myself to their causes.
There is no legal requirement that somebody facing a divorce hire an attorney. However, it is always advisable that they do hire an attorney. We at the law offices of Scott David Stewart are ready to guide our clients through that process.